Well, hello there. If you're new to the channel, my name's Todd. I wanted to do a quick video here on some Egyptian Halloween props that Aaron and I made a few years ago for the Egyptian Halloween party we had. So let me show you what we have. We have the sarcophagus, canopic jars, and of course the mummy. Now these are very easy to make, and I will probably do a video on showing you how to make each of these items. I'm guessing that the total value of materials we have up here is probably around 30 bucks. And that was basically for this face, spray paint, tape, and this cloth, which is like painter's canvas that you use. But basically, very easy. Don't be afraid to try this stuff. On the sarcophagus, cardboard. Canopic jars. These were like canisters that you would buy drinks in, like iced tea or pop, soda. These are boxes that I bought at the craft store. The faces you make out of paper mache. The mummy took a little bit of work, but it wasn't too hard. Basically what I did was 2 tomato cages, the noodles, pool noodles that you swim with, get at the Dollar Tree, hands that you get at the Dollar Tree, a milk jug, and wrap it with painter's cloth. Like I said, I will do some videos on them, but very easy to do. Don't be afraid to try it. Talk to you later.